Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Candy Perler Fairy. So today I'm gonna show you the new 3D perlers that I made, and I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial how to build them. Alright? So I am a big fan of coffee. Like, I have to have coffee every day, and I'm a big fan of Starbucks and McDonald's, so I have to either have one of them each day. But it's getting really expensive at Starbucks. So I'm gonna show you guys how to build a Frappuccino 3D perlers today. Yay! As you can see, actually there's two designs, so I'm going to show you in just a little bit. This one is super easy to build. It's not a lot of pieces, so you can build it in like a couple hours. I also made the pattern for this Starbucks bear. Look at the green apron, isn't it cute? So if you want to build this bear, don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned because the tutorial to build this one is coming up. But if you want to get the pattern in advance, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you're gonna get more details how to get the pattern on this one. Alright, so back to the Frappuccino. As you can see, this one is actually the regular version. It requires less pieces. It's just like this. It doesn't open. But then this one, the big one that I made, actually you can open it. I would suggest using the big beads because you want it for a storage. And then you can open it like this. And you can see it has storage, right? So you can actually put pencils here. You can see, you can also put like the perler tools right here, and then you can always just take them back out. And then also these storage right here, you can even like put paper clips or small items, and then once you're done, just close it back and then clip it. Nobody knows, right? Yeah, so today I'm going to show you both versions, and this time we save it for next time. Alright, so let's get started. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Okay, so if you would like to build the one with the lid open, like with the storage, then you'll follow this tutorial. If you don't like the one that with the storage to open this, you can follow the next tutorial to build the other one. That one has a little bit less piece. Alright, let's get started with the Frappuccino that with the little storage. Alright, so it's pretty easy. So we see these connectors here. I'm going to show you how to build this. So let's build the size first. So we're going to use this here. So bring these two connectors. Just like so. And then add this one to the top. Yep. There you go. We got one side done. All right, let's work on the other side. Also using the connectors right here. And then the other one for the bottom. Okay. And then here. Onto the top. And then one more piece. Yay! So we got these two sides ready. Let's do the front and the back. So this is gonna be the back piece. So it's gonna go this way. And then this way, I think. Yeah, the whites goes to the bottom. So we got three sides done. Let's do the front. It's right here. So using this connector, connect right here. And then this one onto the top. Alright, so we got these four sides done. Alright, let's connect the bottom as well. So we got all the sides ready, and we're gonna work on the connection together. Let me see, so I think this way. Yep, just like so. Alright, so let's build the sides together. So this one, gonna have one side right here. So we're like kind of like building like a cube shape to start. Oh, did I flip it upside down? Oh no, I did. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and then hold it this way and then pop this one to the back. Yep,
looking good. Let's build the bottom. So lay it this way, and then this one, we'll just go like this. Yep. Yay! So we kind of have the box ready. So now we can add these two pieces onto the top. So right here, just insert it this way, just like so, and then this one onto the top. Look, we got the base ready. So let's finish it with the top piece. So this one is gonna be the bottom, and we're gonna use these two to go to the side first. Yep. And then adding this one onto the top. Yep, looking good. And then let me see. I remember this one, I was having some issue to move it in. Yep, hopefully it works this time. Okay. And then I'm gonna insert it here. Oh, it looks perfect. All right, so these two, we're gonna go to the back and then insert it here. Using my nail a little bit. Yep, got it. One more to push. All right, so let's add the straw onto the top. As you can see, the little hole, so it's gonna go this way. And then the other one goes this way. Yay, so we got the cover. As you can see, the part that stick out is going to slide in here. So that way, you know, we can have the lid open. Yep, just like so. And then you can do like storage here. So just open it. Yep, so I would put like my perler tools here. Just like so. And then you can always close it whenever you want if you're done. Alright, so let's get started with this one. This one has no storage, but it's less pieces to build. If you don't want the storage, you can just build this one. It's easier. Alright, let's get started. It's pretty easy. We're gonna build the side pieces and then we're just gonna combine them together. Alright, let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the face first. So using this connector here, and then connect this one to the top. And then this is gonna be the back. You can kind of see that they're even. Okay, so always try to find the side that is less gap. It's gonna make much better for the project. And let's work on the side pieces. So this one first. You can see the connectors. Second connector. And then add this one to the top. And then add this one to the top. Alright, so the other side, the same thing. This piece goes first. This piece goes second. Okay, and then this one pop to the top. And then one more piece right here. Looking good. Alright, so this is gonna be the bottom piece. So it's gonna be this way. And then we turn around and insert this one to the bottom. Alright, so this goes to the top. Alright, so we got all these pieces ready. Let's combine them. So I have this one to the front. Go this way. And then hold it and go to the other side. Yep. And then place it down, or you can hold it and then add this one to the back. My hand is shaking, sorry. Because with mini bee, sometimes it's better to lay it flat. Alright, got it. Alright, so now we have all the sides, and then we're gonna go in with this. Make sure it's going this way. Alright, and then we're just gonna insert it to the bottom Yep. So we kind of stabilize it now, right? And then now we're gonna add this piece to the top this way. Yep, looking good, just like so. And then we're gonna add this one. I noticed that we should take these two off first, and then we're gonna reinsert it. Okay. Yep. All right. So now we can reapply it again, because earlier this little bit needs to go in, so that piece have to go in first. But there we go. Let's finish to the top. So continue adding as the order, like this way. And then we're almost done. Then we'll get our Frappuccino right here. All right, so adding the star and the straw. So here, just adding the star, and then the straw will be this way. You can see the little bead and the hole goes in this way. And then the other one goes this. Yay, now you have the little tiny Frappuccino 3D perler. Let me know on Instagram if you make these two, or just either one, like you will make the one without the storage, or you will make the one with the storage, and what size you're gonna make. Tag me on Instagram if you make this one. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.